I gotta take a bath.
I do it.
You want to go out?
No.
You want me to open the door?
I do it.
I can't open the door because I'm going to take a bath and I gotta watch you. You want to watch some TV in here or play with toys?
No toys.
You got a toy? Where's your laptop? Where's your laptop?
No, doggy.
Doggy? What are you doing? Caiden, where are you going? Are you trying to escape? Are you trying to escape? Huh? You can't escape yet. You can't escape yet. I see. When you get a little older, I'm going to have to put some kind of locks up where you can't unlock the door. Yeah? Are you upset now?